Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is Market Insider TV. This is our opening commentary, and it is Thursday morning, December the 5th. Good morning, and thanks for joining us. Of course, Thursday mornings are our export sales report day, and we'll have all that information to talk about this morning. We'll talk a little bit of South American weather as well. Looking first at our overnight markets, U.S. dollar is softer, so that should give us a bounce in a lot of these commodities, but look at gold and silver down slightly here, not responding to that lower dollar. Our wheat futures did respond as we were 3 to 4 cents better overnight. Beans up anywhere from 2 3/4 to 3 1/4, and corn just fractionally higher. Not much movement there after these export numbers. So we did, see a little bit of recovery with these export numbers, and we've digested them, trade them. We don't need to really trade them anymore during today's session. We have crude oil up a little bit this morning, about 43 ticks higher, and the stock market down just slightly, about 5 points is all. So kind of a quiet overnight market without a lot of news and not a lot of movement either. So let's get into what news we do have. I'll be on RFD TV this morning, again at 8:15 Central Time, as well as tomorrow morning, and then Monday morning as well. So follow us on Twitter, Midwest Markets, and sign up for our text message service, also Twitter feed at Brian Hoops. We do have a Facebook page. We're posting some information there at Midwest Markets Solutions, and you can find us on Facebook, and we'll have a little bit of information, certainly not what we're going to put out on a Twitter or a text basis. So, all right, other news here. Let's look first at the forecast for South America. Next couple of weeks calling for a little bit drier conditions in Mato Grosso and most of Argentina. This is not a major concern, but it is a little drier than what was previously forecast. Southern Brazil is looking at above average moisture, so still great conditions there. And overall, this Brazilian crop is not getting smaller, and conditions are good in both countries. Maybe this dryness continues and gives us some sort of a rally. That's really what is needed if we're going to see significant rally develop. It is this extended period of dryness. We're starting to see that in Mato Grosso as well as in Argentina. Stats Canada survey was out this morning and has all wheat at 34.95 million tons. That includes spring wheat at 26 million tons. So the average guess was about 35. That's up from the last estimate of 34.2 and last year's crop of 32.9. The spring wheat crop was forecast to be 25.9. So both spring wheat and was a little bit larger than the trade guess, and the all wheat numbers were slightly lower. Weekly export sales out this morning for November the 28th. We saw wheat at 13.9. Corn came in at a very strong 68.2 million bushels, and soybeans at 85. Those are good numbers, really good numbers. Mexico, about 15.5 million bushels of U.S. corn out of that 68. Japan bought 14 million of the 68, while China bought about 24.6 million bushels of U.S. soybeans. We also saw unknown destination and Spain be decent buyers of soybeans last week. But overall, some really good numbers for corn and beans. Wheat was, pretty much where we have been seeing export business. December live cattle options expire tomorrow. They go off the board there. First notice day for live cattle is Monday the 9th, with cash looking at 190 and futures a couple dollars below that. I don't see a case where we're going to see any deliveries against the futures contracts, so I don't think you'll see and have to worry about the delivery starting on Monday. We haven't seen any cash cattle trade yet this week. We've seen some asking prices, 193 to 194 in the Southern Plains. Net beef sales were only 100 million tons for 2024. That's a marking year low, but for 25, we saw 13,700 metric tons. So you combine those, and it's pretty much routine where we have been in the normal course of business here over the last several weeks. Shipments at 14.4. Pork sales were 35.2 million tons for this marking year. Shipments were 26.6. Overall, I don't think these export numbers for corn, soybeans, or livestock really make much of a difference this morning. We're going to look at weather and some South American direction, as well as money flow here from traders. We might get a little bounce with that dollar being softer. Have a good day, everyone, and good luck and good trading. I hope to talk to you soon. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. We'll talk to you later.